Welcome again, my viewers and my subscribers, to Life with Jennifer JM. I am your girl, and to Jen. Boy, people, you know my thing, church and politics. So politics now. Did you know, we talk about in one of my videos about the JLP government under this Andrew Holness-led administration. It's the first for everything. First, we have wife and husband as the head in a parliament. First, we have so much corruption. First, we have such a prime minister with bare face and lie. Just tell a lie like serious lie. The lie look like it's serious. The first one that we have one DPP who now want to retire at age 60. The first one to extend a DPP extension, and the first one who's to seek in a second extension. The first one to run go to parliament, go amend law for bring up retirement age to 65 for two specific office and only one person benefit from it. The first to do it. This is the first DPP, right? And I'm going to go to an article and make you listen to the article. Government has tied itself to an unyielding legal and political not to keep one public servant, the former DPP Paula You, in office for 2 more years. You hear that? Now we're going to look at from Jamaica become independent in 1962 and been having DPP. So we're going to look at the breakdown. I'm going to give you first a year in these information, so I'm giving you. So first, in 1962 to 1965, William Swaby, and he retired at 55 and became a Supreme Court judge. So all of them were retired. They do other work. They say, oh, man, no one go do no other work. She and me don't know about she and the government. Until Monroe, 1965 to 1968, retired at age 55. Became judge on International Court of Human Rights in 1981 to 1985. That's the second DPP. Then our third DPP, James Kerr, 1968 to 1977, retired at 55, became a Court of Appeal judge. A legendary English judge, Lord Dick Locke, reportedly considered Justice Kerr to be the only true authority on the Jamaican Constitution. He was the first Constitutional Reform Committee chairman in 1991, and he was the political ombudsman for 10 years, and that's James Kerr. Some of you may be too young to know all of these things, but the older folks will remember it. Ian Forbes, 1977 to 1988, retired at age 60, became Court of Appeal president, then Cayman Island Court of Appeal judge. Then you have Glenn Andre, 1988 to 1998, and retired at 60. Tutor at Justice Training Institute, was a former firearm licensing review board member and National Security Minister advisor. You see, so everybody left at their age and find out something for do. This one I remember as ABC, Ken Pantry. I remember him as good as ever. Retired at 60. Became UTech Faculties of Law Dean. He's an associate professor and a director of UTech Faculties of Law Degree Legal Advice. And he also was a Centre Medical Council of Jamaica, members of the Court of Arbitrary for Sports. So every one of Jamaica former DPP has retired in a timely fashion. Every one of them have gone on to make significant contribution elsewhere. Yet Paula has applied twice for extension of her constitutional tenure and seems in no hurry to move on. The government with replacement option galore seems anxious to hang on to this particular officer at least until the end of their current term. Others have been opposed to her remaining in. Widely reported that former opposition leader Peter Phillips even disagree with the first extension. But by way of communication, they were able to come to an agreement for the first extension. So the opposition didn't even disagree under Peter Phillips with Paula's first extension. Why is God creation or the government again come back, run the parliament, go pass like I see? Come on, man. What do you know in this country? Huh? I don't want people for talk. Come on. Alright. Andrew Only's compromising government original position of permitting the 5 years for Paula applied. He didn't have to do this, as constitutionally consultation doesn't mean what you might think. It simply means PM must inform the leader of the opposition of his decision before making it public, which never happened. But in this case, the PM proved he wasn't the autocrat, noisy nabob of negativity keep calling him. He engaged in an actual consultation prior with Peter Phillips and agreed a 3-year extension. Paula received 1 extension. The Constitution allows DPP who accessible to media has been for signature accomplishment since there were matters needing her personal attention to complete. But 3 years later, that's what they told Peter Phillips why they want some matters there, you know, for her to finish up. So they might just make sure finish it up. And now after the 3 years done, you still want 2 more years. You come in like a bug bunny. You is like a bug bunny. So this unconstitutional application for a second extension coupled with government obviously anxiously approve, it's only end up exposing government habitual bungling and legal ineptitude. Boy, my people, me no know. This coming like say it not have no beginning and it not have no ending, because you have people from all over talking about it. All the other rest of DPPs from 1962 up until Paula, all of them, when they not have no problem, nobody not ask for no extension, they know that was their right. They take their retirement and they go serve in other offices and all of that. She could have been a good lecturer up at UE. She could have been a good lecturer up at UTech. She could have been on public forum. She could have gone into schools. This woman could have used her skill, go into school and counsel the young men them. So look here, I have dealt with cases over and over. Don't put yourself in problem and show them how to live a life. She could use her things so much. She could be an ambassador to Jamaica. The woman could have done anything where she want, and she can just go and go lay down and sleep if she want. But no. She is determined to hold on, and the government is hell-bent to keep her. So my viewers and my subscriber again, make me hear one office about this. All the other rest of DPP them retire at their age, except for this one. I tell you that Andrew will left a legacy of being the first of everything that is not good in Jamaica. Leave your views, leave your comment. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. I'm your girl Auntie Jen. Bye.